Hello friends, welcome to my channel Food Fun and More. Today I am going to show you how to make mini apple toffees with very few ingredients. Before I start this recipe, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, and please don't forget to like the recipe. Take a non-stick pan, add half cup sugar. Friends, I am using the same cup to measure all the other ingredients so that we don't get confused with half cup and 1 cup. Now add half cup of water and bring the mixture to a boil. When the sugar melts off completely, stir the mixture continuously till the whole syrup reduces and becomes sticky. Now check the consistency of the sugar syrup. Just take few drops of sugar syrup between your fingers and it should almost form half string consistency, not 1 string consistency. Let the flame be low. The sugar syrup is ready. Now it's time to add the milk powder. I'm adding here 1 cup milk powder with the same measurement in which I added the sugar and the water. After 2 or 3 minutes, you may notice that the mixture has started to leave the sides of the pan. Stirring for few minutes. Now you can see the mixture has reduced to half of the amount. Now it's time to add the ghee. I'm adding here 1 teaspoon ghee just to make it tasty and just to add some glaze or shine to the mixture. Now I'm adding saffron milk. Just I have soaked few saffron strands in 4 teaspoons of milk. Here I am going to add just 2 teaspoons of milk. This is quite optional, friends. If you wish to add, you may add. Just to give a hint of taste and some color to the pedas, I am adding this. If you want, you can quit this step. It's quite optional. Cook for few more minutes till the mixture is smooth and forms a sticky dough. Now turn off the heat. Now let us transfer the mixture into a bowl and allow it to cool down, but not completely. The mixture should be slightly warm. Grease your palms with little ghee. Divide the mixture into equal size portion and smooth out each portion into round balls just to give the shape of an apple. Make a small dent with your finger and put a clove upright in center of the dent. Now is the time to add the twist just by giving beautiful red color to the pedas. I have just added 3 or 4 drops of water to red food color. If you have liquid also, it's okay. With the help of a brush, paint the pedas with red food color so that it looks same like an apple. I have given very small shape to this apple because I have named them mini apple toffees. But if you wish, you can make big apples too. It's completely your wish. Applemithai toffees are ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until I come up with next recipe, take care. Bye.